Tennessee, baby. Alrighty. Alright. Alright, today we're heading to Nashville for the weekend. Got Nate on his Harley. Evan's behind us. She's gonna hop on a bike with him when she gets rid of her stuff in her car. Good sized group. We got like 14 people going with us, so it's gonna be a damn good time. Had to make a pit stop. We're all thirsty. Just finally got back on a good road. Dang, there's some nice rocks. Looks like traffic. Unlike California, you can't lane split here. I'm sorry for the way I am. This ain't too bad. At least it's moving. It could be worse. We're in Tennessee, baby. We made it to Tennessee. Hell yeah! That was Nashville. Yeah. Nashville. Woo! Let's go. Oh, brother. There's a BMW. Brand new soccer stadium. There's soccer stadiums going up everywhere in the US. It's crazy. Turn right. Turn right. Broadway is jamming already. It's 11:30. As we're parking right here.
You'd have to find another garage, but yeah, sorry, man.
Can't park motorcycles down here.
Okay. Yeah, there's actually a lot, where the lobby is.
Lobby down here.
Open lot. Once you go back up at the ramp, you'll make a right.
Yeah.
That light, make a right, and then at that next one, they'll be right there on the corner across the street from the lobby here.
Okay.
Yeah, you should be able to park there. They just don't allow them down here.
Alrighty.
So yeah, at the top of that ramp, just make a right, make another right at the light, and it'll be right there across the street. It'll be on Commerce Street.
Commerce Street?
Yeah, it's like literally right on the other side of the building.
Alrighty.
Going back out this way?
Yeah, if y'all want to, y'all can just go down, turn around. The first 10 minutes is free, so it should open right up here.
No motorcycles down here. I know. I got my box on me, so.
Your jump on?
Yeah.
Because I was about to get that.
Yeah.
Here, I know. I want to
Good enough for a picture.
I'm
already full, man.
Just look at it.
That's freaking beautiful.
Okay, ready?
The consistency and the